Alright, in this video we're going to connect your HubSpot to your link app through Zapier. Now we have a pre-built Zap made for you. Just go to that link, scroll down here, and click this little pre-made thing right here to try it. And it's 3 easy steps. Get started. Log into your link account, click next. And then connect your HubSpot account. Click the correct one. Boom, there you go, click next. And you're going to have to use advanced mode for this app. And click continue. Looks like Zapier already did a lot of this for me automatically. And now I'm just making sure that the correct information is filled out. Their first name, last name, work email, work phone, work address, the title, company that they work at, their work website, and then I added a little custom thing in here to make sure that the notes are added in. So just click custom, scroll down, and click on notes. Boom. And then click continue. And then I already tested this, so you're going to want to test it, and then you can click publish. And then there you go. As you can see, John Doe is in there. It populated this automatically. And then now we're going to go ahead and test it on the app. And as you can see, boom, Sean Garcia exported very, very well. And yep, that's as easy as connecting HubSpot to your link app via Zapier. See you in the next video.